Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with my Creative Times 147th edition release. And this release will be her Black Friday sale. That sale, you buy more and you'll save more with coupon codes, and I'll have those flash across the screen right about now. Make sure you come back on Friday. The sale starts November 22nd, 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It's a 48-hour sale and will end November 24th, 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So make sure you jot down those dates. Make sure you visit everyone's channels. I'll have everyone linked down below so you can go over and check out everybody. And also make sure you head over to Instagram as well. Everybody's links will be down below, the store, everything that you'll need to know. And that's about all I have for you right now, but check out what I have made for you with these new products. Sneaky peek day one. So starting out, we have the Christmas icons. And hopefully you can see those stamps. Mini layered bow dies and fun size layered bow dies. And so these will come 5 in each set. And we have these 5 here. And as you can tell, or maybe you can't, but anyways, this little set here has a little bitty gingerbreads in there, as well as this set, which is the fun size. And you can see that a little bit better, where you can see the little gingers in there. Adorable. And these layer flat, and you can do a bunch of combinations with these. We also have the More Cocoa mugs and stuff. And so she has created a smaller cocoa cup as well as a larger one. This just doesn't cut into the layer, it impresses into the layer. And then same with this one. And then she also has a few extra, one plate for the marshmallows and the whipped cream. So really cute. And that accompanies with this one. She also made an extra layer that'll go with this, the release from last month. So you'll have that extra layer, which will be like the coffee or the hot cocoa top. She also has the oval postage dies, and these are really cute. In the inside of that little postage area, you'll have a little circle. So we'll cut out the circle, but as it goes down, it'll impress into the paper instead of cutting it out. And then same thing with this one. This one comes 12 in the set. This one's called circle postage dies, and this one has the circles that'll cut out, and as you go down further, it'll impress into the paper. But this one comes with circle dies so that you can add on. This one's called circle card front dies. Now this will also layer up with the postage circle, as well as your 3x3 card-based dies and 4x4 card-based dies. So these are really cute, and you can add on those. I only used this one for today though, but I didn't use this one, but I'll come back another day and create something with that. And these are the additional things that I use. Small loopy tag die, use that. Hot cocoa add-ons. Hot chocolate season 2024 for the paper. Hot cocoa stamps. 5x5 card die layers. The giant ginger, I just used the stamps, and I used this sweet little face there. And the holly plate die. Okay, here we go. Starting out, I created a couple tags with those oval dies and the little bows. The layered bows. And so I'm going to show you the Santa Claus first, and this is that stamp. Those are really cute. They're perfect for those little oval dies, just perfect. And I did put black behind that just to make that Santa Claus pop there, and I also made it into a tag. I forgot to add on that other piece back there, but I will, because I want to use it for Christmas for some tags. And then I also use this one, and this is where I used this layered bow die for her, for Mrs. Claus, and she's adorable. Did color her up as well, and I didn't forget to add it on that one, but it's there. Adorable. So I did make a 5x5 card die, and this is where I use the layers here. These are the oval dies that I just showcased you, as well as that circle add-on that goes with those 3x3s. This is the larger bow die, and like I said, there's several combinations that you can use with the bow. However, I forgot that I was using directional paper, so that's upside down. So make sure you don't do what I did. And then I also used that little small cup, the cocoa cup. Just adorable. And then there goes the inside there. Those are so cute. The last thing that I created was this adorable little cup. She's just too cute. I love that face. So I thought I'd put her on, that cup on one of the postage oval dies. Just adorable. I did throw this little holly leaf, and I pulled out those peppermint and the cinnamon stick add-on layer. Also colored up her face. I used some white gel pen to highlight her face there. Just adorable. I did add on some little bells, and I just picked these up this past week, and those are cute. And then on the back side, I used that the stamp set from last month, and that just turned out so cute on the back side. I love how that stamped out. It's just perfect. And then that's it. That's what I have for you today. So make sure you come back tomorrow. What My Creative Time is releasing tomorrow. So cute. So cute. Anyways, so that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone, for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day. Make sure you use the links down below to check out everyone else. All right. Have a great day. Bye.